Mwakoi, which means thank you and welcome. And we will continue with our studies of verbs. We have the verb kunena. The verb kunena. I believe the verb kunena means to say. Verb kunena. We'll stay in the present tense. So I will say NENA, I say, you say, means you say, I say, NENA, unena, you say, unena, he said, or she said, or it said, it says. Oh. It says, or he says. So NENA, NENA, I say, unena, you say, unena, he says, tunena, we say, munena, you say, banena, they say. All right, so very easy verb. Even so, I struggle with it, not to straighten things up. Let's try again. NENA, you say. Unena, you say. How are you? Let's start over. NENA, I say. Unena, you say. Unena, he say. Tunena, we say. Munena, they say. Banana, they say. Okay, so the verb, I hope I say it correctly. So it's very easy. In NENA amba, I say that. NENA amba, it's that. Unena amba, you say that. Unena amba, you say that. Tunena amba, we say that. Munena amba, you say that. Banana amba, they say that. So looking forward talking to you again about more verbs, and we'll be learning more verbs, and I'm very excited that we're going forward, and we'll keep adding more verbs, and before you know it, you're speaking fluently and you'll be challenging everybody else. So God bless you, and we'll see you next time.